I love makeup. I've loved makeup since I was young.
Since I was little, makeup has always been my favorite thing ever, so I was like, might as well do it for a living.
Students become proficient in specialized techniques such as makeup for special events, bridal makeup, period makeup from various historical eras, applications for high-definition media and photography, airbrushing, special effects, and creative makeup.
Being able to be in class with all the professional tools and just the work environment has been super beneficial.
Students experience applied hands-on learning in state-of-the-art modern lab facilities within the Durham College Spa. The DC Spa is also a fully operational spa facility. Students practice and collaborate with their peers in lab over the 2 years of the program and also perform a variety of cosmetic services on the public throughout their second year of the program.
The labs in the classroom are amazing because they are very new. Every time you come in here, it's fresh and clean. Everything is sanitized. Every single time that we do practice on others, we have a new partner every time. So everybody has a different face shape and it gives me a chance to learn.
Students also receive a comprehensive kit with professional tools and products to facilitate their applied hands-on learning throughout the program.
The professors have been really supportive, really accommodating. Anytime you have a question, they'll answer as soon as they can.
Expert faculty in the program bring a wealth of knowledge from diverse parts of the industry, providing practical examples in their teaching.
I just want to be a very inclusive brand for any gender, race, ethnicities, religions. It's a form of expression and it's an art for me.
Throughout the courses in the program, students are given a variety of opportunities for experiential learning, where they can apply their knowledge through practical case examples or hands-on labs, collaborating with their peers or working alongside the public at the Durham College Spa.
I'm excited to turn it into a career now, and the career path that I would like to go down is doing makeup for people who are in videos or for photography or just model makeup. I love doing and enhancing people's natural beauty.
Positions you could hold in the future upon graduation may include beauty or fragrance advisor, a cosmetics brand ambassador, account representative or educator, a cosmetics counter or boutique manager, a freelance makeup artist, or beauty blogger or writer online.
So I want to open my own business and have my own beauty product line. And I also would like to be able to travel as a freelance makeup artist just to see different beauty cultures everywhere.
I think I'll be making a difference just by making people feel beautiful. Every girl or guy wants to feel their best at all times, and if I can help, then that's great. I love that.